I've done a dissection of the knee to demonstrate some of the ligaments and other accessory structures. So first of all, let me demonstrate the menisci. So you can see that the rims of the menisci actually float freely over the articular cartilage of the tibial facets. And although you learn that the medial menisci in young healthy people is much bigger and thicker than the lateral menisci, in the specimens here, a lot of times you'll see that it's very attenuated, such as you see right here. You can actually see, though, that the articular cartilage of the femoral condyles, here's the medial and lateral femoral condyles, is quite healthy in this specimen. Here's the ACL, like this, and you can appreciate the course that it runs, going from the posterior lateral as it courses medial and anterior as it goes inferior. Here is some of the surviving medial meniscus, and here is the MCL. Now, if I perform an anterior drawer maneuver, you'll see that it's nice and tight. Let's see what happens if I transect the ACL in this 90 degrees of flexion. It's a nice strong ACL, and it's still good and tight even with the ACL transected. In order to get that medial lateral instability, you need to transect also the collateral ligaments, such as we did right now, transecting the MCL. And there we see the anterorotary instability. You can also now envision the PCL crossing, here it is, crossing the course of the ACL in the opposite direction, going from the medial as it comes from the superior down to the lateral as it goes to the inferior. Okay.